The default binding style for your book is very important. It's going to determine the ratio at which your book is set up, so it can change from cover to cover, from binding style to binding style, and I'm going to show you how it can change. Right now you'll see I actually have my book set as a YRO soft cover, and you can see that my picture fills the entire space here. That's because I've gone into this little edit window in the design tab and I've selected fill image. It can change if you click fit image. You'll see how my image doesn't completely fill the space anymore. So I'm going to click fill image, hit save, and then I'm going to show you how this changes when I change my default binding style to a ringed binder. So, I don't know, let's make sure you saw how I do that. You click more up here in the blue toolbar, then you click book settings, and then right here where it says default binding style, you're going to go over and choose ringed binder or whichever book you prefer. Then you're going to click save, and the designer is actually going to refresh. So it could take a few minutes depending on how large your book is, but now you see my ringed binder is here, and you can see that there's white space now at the bottom of this front cover. So the reason that this is because the spine width changes from binding style to binding style. So it kind of messes with that front cover. So in order to avoid this, you do want to make sure you're setting this default binding style correctly. Now to fix this, I'd go into the edit window again, make sure I'm in the design tab. I will select my photo and I'll again select fill image and then hit save. And now you'll see that my image fills the entire space.